All right, another aspect that has to be understood by the planner and the manager or the client is before seed graze can be used, the client and the planner will naturally survey the farm situation, find out what some of the natural resource concerns are, what species are on the farm, how much ground cover is on the farm, what the animal types are. All of those are observations that the planner and the client have to come to some kind of conclusion on before a planner ever sits down and starts to work with seed graze. Now, seed graze allows the planner to input animal type, size, birthing season, marketing season, weights, all of that, but still, those observations have to come about by an interview and a visit between the planner and the manager. So the point here is seed graze has no way of knowing the resource conditions. It's up to the planner to decide that and then use the tools within the program to calculate this forage demand and forage balance.